Hey guys, today we're going to be doing our July review and our August goals. I honestly can't believe that we're in August already, like it's actually just crazy. I feel like the year has just gone by so fast, like what the hell. But anyway, I just can't, I don't know, I feel like the end of the year is fast approaching and it's scary. So anyway, so let's have a look at our July goals. So it was to post every day, it was to weigh a certain amount, have some savings, use half of my makeup, half of my skincare, do 3 things of like my special project, and post at least once a week on Patreon. So I did post every day on YouTube. I think I missed a couple of days on like TikTok and Instagram, but post every day on YouTube. I didn't reach my weight goal. I reached one of my savings goals, but I didn't reach the other one. But use half makeup and half skincare. Okay, actually, I'm not gonna lie, I completely forgot to count up everything. But honestly, this last month I have tried so much new makeup, so I feel like I've been really happy with it. I think I tried like about 60 individual products, and then I also tried on all of those lashes that I had sitting in there, so I feel like I did pretty good. Like it wasn't exactly half, like I've still got a lot to get through, but I feel like I made like a pretty decent chunk, and honestly I'm happy with that. I feel like I did a good amount of videos and tried out a good amount of products, so I'm honestly not mad at all. Like I feel like we did pretty well, so and I feel like, I mean, we've still got quite a bit of stuff to try out, but in saying that, a lot of it is like lip products, and obviously you can kind of use like only one lip product per look. Like not one, but like you can't like use like 10 liquid lipsticks in one look, you know what I mean? So as for skincare, I don't think I quite got half, but once again, I feel like we tried out a decent amount of products. I think about like 20 or so skincare and like body care products, so honestly, I'm not mad. I feel like I did good. It's not, exactly half, but I'm really not mad at all. I didn't do any of my special project, but I feel like, I don't know. I feel like trying to use up all of that like new makeup as well as trying to do my special project just wasn't really working. So, and then I wanted to post at least once a week on Patreon, and I think I missed last week's episode, but I think I've done alright. So overall not a bad month. I'm pretty happy with July. My August goals are to post every day. I've got a certain weight goal and certain savings goals. I want to do some of my special project again, and I'm also on like a no buy. Apart from one thing is I bought the P. Louise advent calendar, but I feel like I had to get that. But like I'm gonna try and not buy anything. And also the other thing is it's Kate's birthday. So, but when I say no buy, I mean like not like anything else. So I feel like August seems pretty easy. I want to focus on doing a lot of pre-filming and stuff in August. We have our like trip coming up next month, so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. I'm really excited for this month. I feel hopeful and happy. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.